Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday, and today I want to address those of you the questions from juniors who constantly ask me which language to learn, Laravel framework or Python or Symfony or .NET or whatever. But from interesting angle. Quite often I see an argument, Laravel turns to be in decline with lower amount of jobs and lower salaries, or this or that technology is in decline, not so sexy anymore, and people say that in the future PHP will be dead or whatever will be dead. So the question is, what should I learn in this constantly changing world? The thing is that the world is indeed constantly changing. So what you need to understand as a junior, that generally, probably if you are in a long run for a long career of development, you will probably change your programming language at least a few times. You will likely grow out of WordPress if you do that now. You will likely be forced to try some Python or .NET on the side in addition to a specific project with Laravel, because that project would require that. You would maybe be offered a position in a company with another language, with them offering you to learn that. You will be bombarded with shiny object syndrome, reading that this or that new framework or technology or language will take over the world. So basically, whatever reason, you are not married to the language that you choose now. So that's one argument. And then the second thing is choosing the language based on popularity or the amount of jobs or potential salary is so incorrect in my opinion. If you are going for a pretty popular language like top 3 or top 5, do you actually care if there's 50,000 jobs on the market or 40,000 jobs on the market? Because actually you need one job. And even in terms of salary, do you care if you earn 2,000 euros per month or 2,300 euros per month? Of course, that difference may be significant for some of you, especially in the beginning, but there's a reason why the salary is different. Because the salary is defined by the market, by supply and demand, which means there are fewer developers of that technology, and usually the reason why there are fewer developers, that it is harder language to learn and master. So Laravel, for example, is for rapid development, and it's really easy to start with. You learn a few concepts, artisan commands, tool of the ecosystem, and you can create web projects right away. That is almost the purpose of Laravel, rapid development. That's why a lot of developers learn Laravel, start creating web projects, and that's why maybe in some niches the salaries of Laravel developers are lower. And that's why Laravel developers are kind of forced to learn something on top of Laravel, in addition to Laravel. Front-end stack, AI, ML, Python, whatever. Depends on the niche. So if you ever encounter the statement that Laravel developer salaries are lower, for a reason. And why machine learning developers with Python earn more? For a reason. Because machine learning is much harder to master. So yeah, my point is, don't choose your programming language or framework based on popularity or what people say. Analyze the market in your country, in your niche, try a few languages on the hello world level and see what sticks to you personally, what you enjoy, what you understand more, and try to find a common ground between what you want, what you're talented for, and what is the market demand. And of course, finally, don't base your decision on my opinion. As I talked about it a few weeks ago on this channel, every situation is different, individual, and requires context. I hope this video will help you make the right decision, but as I said, you're not married to that decision, and be prepared to be flexible. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.